Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you so much for joining me today. This video is going to be pretty quick. I am just wanting to share some happy mail that I received from Cord Buffet. I received a message from them on Instagram asking if I would like to try out macrame kit that they sell on Amazon, and I've been wanting to try some macrame, and I thought this would be perfect to start because it's a little kit and it's so fun. So it comes like this, and I already made a couple projects, so it's not complete at first glance. So it comes with actually 6 different little bundles of the macrame cord, and comes with these pretty colors and also a red that I already used, like a deep red, and then this navy blue as well. So it comes with those 6 colors, and they're just little bundles, perfect to make a keychain or a small project. So how pretty are these colors? I love all the neutrals, and this pink is beautiful. So those are the colors that come in the kit, and then you get 6 different, well, 6 of the same of these heart clasps to make your keychain from. So I thought these were really nice, and they're so nice quality. They're very heavy, and I love the size on these. And then it comes with this cute little measuring tape as well. So you get that. And some of the measurements on their videos are in centimeters, so it's nice that this is inches on one side and centimeters on the other side. So perfect for that. So that's the little kit, and I'll show you the keychains that I've completed. They do have an Instagram page. I'll link that down below in the description box, and they have little quick tutorial videos on Instagram and also on YouTube. So I'll leave all that information in the description box below. For the first one, I actually did this one here. This was my first keychain. So there's that. And I think it turned out okay for my first one. I do notice that my knots on this side are not as perfect as they are over here. So, but I think it's okay for being my first keychain. And so this tutorial I followed on Instagram, and I did prefer they have all of the same tutorials on Instagram and on YouTube, but for this one I followed the tutorial on YouTube, and I liked it better because I was able to kind of pause easier and take my time a little bit better making the keychains. So I also kind of like this style better because you can really see the heart and then the little tassel there. So these are the 2 keychains that I was able to create with their tutorials, and like I said, I'll link the information in the description box below. And they were so super generous, not only to send me a kit to try out, but they also offered an extra kit so that I could do a giveaway. So I'm doing that giveaway on Instagram, and I do have a post on that. So if you would like to win a little kit and try it out for yourself, please go to my Instagram page and just leave a comment. I made it really easy, and hopefully you will win and get to try this fun little kit. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.